Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with like the most random video ever. I never film videos like this, but I wanted to do something different. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my fall winter essentials. I've been seeing a lot of videos like this going around and I kind of like it because like this is my favorite time of year. So I love seeing like what other people's must-haves are for this season. I was going to film a makeup tutorial today, but due to the limited time that I had to film, I decided that this would be great. Alex and I are going to Epcot tonight, so I'm super excited about that. But before we went, I wanted to get a video up. Anyways, enough rambling. Let's get into some of my fall winter essentials. I can't wait to share with you guys. But before we continue, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this, why don't you subscribe? Just hit that red button below. You'll love me, I promise. Just kidding. All right, so my first fall winter must-have. It's so cozy and I wear a ton. It is this cardigan that I got from Target. It is so soft, like it's unreal. I'm gonna leave a link down below. I want to get one in like every single color, but it is one of the softest cardigans ever. And I feel like a lot of times in order to get like a really soft cardigan, you have to spend like 70, 80, 100 bucks for like a good like quality cardigan that like feels cozy, feels soft, and that goes with so much. But this one was 29 bucks from Target and I swear I've used it like a million times already. It is just so soft, it feels so good. It's great to wear around the house, great to throw on over any outfit. But what I like most about it is that like it feels very high end and to me it looks like it's really good quality, but for so affordable. So I'm gonna leave a link down below. But if you guys want to be super cozy and just have something really soft, pick this up. 29 bucks, it'll change your life. So brace yourself for this next absolute must-have because it is going to be the softest thing you ever see in your life. My next absolute must-have is the Secret Treasures sleepwear that you can pick up at your local Walmart. They are literally the softest pajama pants ever. Like literally, it feels just like softness. I can't even describe how good they feel, but like get you a pair. Like they're great. So I have them in this Christmas print and then in this really cute kind of like plaid pink print. So I got this Christmas print one for 5 bucks on Black Friday and like what a steal. Like I should have gotten like 12 pairs. But I'm glad I didn't because the pair I got on Black Friday, I thought it would be a good idea to get it like 3 sizes bigger because when I wear stuff around the house, I like to be very like baggy, so it's like very comfortable. But these don't have a drawstring, so they literally like fall like if I would just wear them like this. So I have to like make it work and take a hair tie and kind of like cinch it right there so it doesn't just fall down while I'm walking around. But this pair I got after Black Friday for like $7.88. Comes with a drawstring. And I got these just 1 size up instead of 3 sizes up. But they are just so comfy. Literally, I wear them every single night to bed. And it's just, I can't even describe it. Like they're the softest material. So next time you're at your local Walmart getting some groceries or some cereal or anything, get you a pair of these. They will change your life. They're so soft and amazing. All right, into more soft and cozy things. My next, ew, is that dog poop? Cute. My next fall winter must have are these slippers. I'm just gonna describe everything as like so soft, fuzzy, comfortable, but like they really are. I wouldn't share it with you if it was just like okay soft. Like these are legit, like amazing. It feels like you're like putting your feet in clouds. It's like a memory foam sole and just kind of like fur around the rim. They have a harder sole too, so you can wear them like outside if you have to. I wouldn't recommend it, but they're also machine washable. And these are just the softest slippers ever. I got them at Dillard's, which is a department store. I don't think they have it like everywhere, but you could order them online. And these were originally $30 and I got them for 8 bucks. They were on sale already for $19.99 and then it was like an additional 50% off plus my associate discount. So it came out to being a steal. So go to like Dillard's, go online, see if they still have the sale going on, because I legit saw slippers at Target for 14 bucks and they were not nearly as soft or as good quality as these, and They're just amazing. Get you a pair. They're machine washable and your feet will be so happy this holiday season. They also make really good Christmas gifts, I feel like. I should have gotten more for like my family members, but this was like the last cute pair they had left and I wasn't gonna give them up. Nobody in my family is that important. I'm about to be like so basic in this next part, but like, what is a winter's essentials video when you don't have Bath & Body Works candles? So I've been seeing so many different like people's must-haves for like fall winter scents, but I really haven't seen too many of mine, so I'm gonna share with you guys. Two of my die-hard Bath & Body Works winter candles are the Marshmallow Fireside and the Mahogany one. These are an absolute must together. I'm pretty sure they carry this one all year round, but to me this scent just like smells like Christmas, like winter. It's very crisp. The Mahogany Teakwood, oh my god, it just smells, it smells so good. Like just here, smell it. Smell it. I wish you could. It's like cozy but clean, but just, oh my god, it's so good. I like this one because like I said, it's a stronger, almost like cologne-like scent. And then this one is like a sweeter, oh my god, this one is like vanilla, just like, I don't even know. It's just go to Bath & Body Works, smell this candle, then smell this candle right next to it. Hold them both up to your nose. And it's just like the best scent combination. I have to light these candles together. And when I do, like, it just puts me in the best mood ever. It just like, you can smell it throughout the entire house. Like, so good. And it's just the most cozy, like warm winter fall scent. I think also the reason why I love this scent so much is because you know how like a lot of times they say like scents will bring you back to certain memories? Well, I always remember when Alex and I first started talking, it was like around Christmas time, and these candles, I would light them every night in my room because obviously it was like fall winter and it was just made it super cozy. But I always remember having them like lit in our room and like we were texting, getting to know each other. So I think that's another reason why I love them so much, is it kind of like associates the scent with like that time period in my life. So a little corny, but I mean, I just had to share it. I will literally cry if they ever get rid of them. Then this last candle is actually new. I picked this up last week and it's the First Roast candle by Bath & Body Works. This one, it kind of smells like the Mahogany Teakwood. It has that kind of cologne, like clean scent, but it's a little bit more crisp. Like the Mahogany Teakwood has more of like a warm cologne scent. This one is like more of like a crisp, it just smells clean. It smells like the first snowfall. Do they have like descriptions for what candles smell like? Because I'm terrible at this. Have you guys ever smelled like Sauvage by Dior, the men's cologne? That's kind of what this smells like. I don't know why I have an obsession for candles that kind of smell like a cologne. Now that I've been raging about candles for 20 minutes, we're gonna talk about even more scents. So I also have the Concentrated Room Spray in Mahogany Teakwood and Marshmallow Fireside. And shout out to my in-laws for getting this for me for my birthday. They got this for me and the other, and the candles this year, which I was so happy about. But like, I've never had the room sprays, and these are amazing. Like one spritz just fills the entire room. Like they are very strong. You don't need much. And like that's all you need for the entire room. Come here. It smells so good. I'm telling you, you have to get Mahogany Teakwood with Marshmallow Fireside together. And you have to spray them together. These, they just go together. Like peanut butter and jelly. You can't have one without the other. Alright, so those are some of my like random fall winter essentials that are so cozy. They'll make your home so cozy. You'll feel so cozy. Get you like a pair of those pajama pants, those slippers, that cardigan. Light up those candles. Watch a Christmas movie. Put it on the Hallmark Channel. And like you will just feel like Christmas time in your veins. But these next essentials are going to be more like beauty fashion related. My next essential are these booties that I got from Forever 21. I like medium size heel, and I like that they have this gold detailing in the back. These are probably the most comfortable booties ever. I love how I still have my sock in there. I just think these are also so cute with the cheetah print, because the cheetah print is like really in this fall and winter season. I think it goes great when you have more of like a simple winter outfit. If you're wearing like just very neutral tones and you throw in a pop of like this cheetah print, it just amps up the outfit without being too much. So I feel like this snake print booties are also really in. But just in general, get you a pair of like some like printed booties and it'll like spruce up any fall winter outfit. My next essential, I feel like 99.9% of you have already, but they might not be that comfortable. So these are just some over the knee boots I got from Fashion Nova. They're kind of like a taupey brown color. I wore these for Thanksgiving and I just think that they are so cute. I like that they have the like tie in the back to kind of lock it at your knee so they don't fall down. It's also helpful because I have really fat calves and legs, so a lot of over the knee boots won't like fit or they'll be like too tight and then like I look like a sausage, like you can see my skin folding over. So it's nice to have that adjustable like strap there, that way it's not like suffocating my leg. And I like that these kind of have that mid-size heel so you get that lift because I'm shorter, so I feel like I always need that lift so it doesn't look like awkward. Casual enough to dress down, but you could still dress them up. So I just think that these are a must. These will be in style, I feel like, forever, so these are great. And these were 30 bucks, I think, from Fashion Nova. So just 2 more products. These are gonna be more beauty related. So my first is this lip color that I have on right now. I feel like fall and winter, you need a good red lip, especially like for New Year's or Christmas. And lately my favorite red has been this one by Morphe. It is in the color Hot Shot and it's their liquid lipstick. Now let me tell you, I've become like a diehard fan of their liquid lipsticks lately. They're very comfortable, they're not too thick on the lips, they're not too drying, but they stay on all day, which I think is amazing. I could literally eat and drink and like a lot of them will completely crumble. These actually stay on and feel comfortable on the lips. And I just think this is such a pretty red. As you can see, it's like a brighter red. Has a little bit more of that warmth to it, but it's not too orange, not too blue tone. It's just like a perfect vibrant red. My next must-have that I've been grabbing for a lot lately is the MAC Mineralized Blush in Gleeful. It's just like the perfect plummy blush color. Like, this is what I have on my cheeks right now. I just feel like it gives such a pretty flush to the skin. It gives that pop of color on the cheek without being too intense. And I love it. I feel like doing videos like this, I realize that I'm really terrible at describing things that I like. When I really like something, I have no words for it. So if this video just sounds like me rambling and like speaking nonsense, it's because I'm like really passionate and I love every single thing that I just mentioned. Then my last fall winter must-have is a bay. You gotta get a bay this winter and fall because, you know, summer is all for like going out and just having fun, having the time of your life. Winter, you can get a husband, you can get a boyfriend, or you can get a dog. You just need a buddy to keep you company this time of year, stay cozy with you, keep you warm, and that's what this little guy's here for. Right, Chucky? Right, bro? This looks really ghetto, but we literally drink this every day. That's why it's like dented in it. But you gotta get yourself some pumpkin spice delight coffee creamer. Throw this in your coffee and every morning it'll just be super cozy, fall and wintry. And I love this time of year when they bring this out because it just makes my heart so happy. Tastes like Christmas, Thanksgiving. It's just good. But yeah, get you some of this. It's so good. It's a must-have. I'm gonna have the hardest time editing this video because I'm just all over the place. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for some of my fall winter must-haves. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed just me sharing some of my holiday, Christmas time favorite. Before you leave, definitely let me know in the comments down below what are some of your favorite fall winter must-haves. What are some things that like I absolutely need to run out and get like right now. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!